Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me Pratyusha here. In this video, I will show you how we built our own puja mandir. My husband got a thought that we will build the puja mandir by ourselves. At first, we don't have any idea how we are going to build it, but just we started. So we started purchasing the hardwood items from the different shops and started doing it. It was so easy to build than we were thinking about it. So this is the step. This is just an idea about making the puja mandir. We can customize as per your choice by increasing the length or width or decreasing the size and all these things. And also by adding some wood carvings, we can add more decoration for this mandir. If you are watching my channel for first time, don't forget to subscribe and like. So let's get into the video. To make this mandir, we get all the hardwood items from the Lewis and Home Depot shops. So the big plank, wooden plank, we got it from Lewis, and we wanted to have a big mandir, so we took 4 by 2 size of plank, and these are the. We get so many varieties and lengths of table legs are available from Lewis shop. We can use this as a stand for our mandir. These are another type of wood pieces that is in cone shape, so we wanted to use them on the gopuram. There are so many wood carvings are available. We can use them to decorate our mandir. We can also make as a step by step mandir on top. Before painting, the mandir looks like this. When we fix the wooden planks with the 4 table legs, our base for the puja mandir is ready. For each leg, we took 4 to 5 nails, and with the help of hammer, we fixed them in all 4 legs. So in this way, it becomes so strong. The base will be so strong. To make the edges smoother, we took edge carver used up against it. Each type of hardware is also available for more supportiveness to fix on the edges. One more extra wooden plank is needed to support at the back. This wood glue is also really helpful to attach the wood pieces. We took an extra small wooden plank and attached to make an extra step on top of the mandir so that it looks so beautiful. And for extra protection, we also nailed them. We took cone-shaped wood pieces and fixed them as gopurams on the top of the mandir. To make this gopuram, we can get these individual pieces are available, and we use the wooden glue to fix them. So by attaching all four of them, we made this gopuram. We are attaching this wood carving on top, so it is looking so beautiful after it is connected. With the help of wood glue, we attached another wood carving on top. We built an extra step to keep our gods' pictures and idols. This gives an extra space to keep our puja items to do the puja things. And also, this is an extra space while doing the special pujas like Vratam and Puja. We can keep all these things together. And while doing Abhishekam, we are keeping all our Shivalingas at this place. After arranging all of them, gopuram, wood carvings and base, all of them together, the puja mandir is ready for painting. We took the dark espresso wood color for the puja mandir and also different colors for painting the decoration, red color and golden yellow color. So it is easy to paint with a regular brush. We wanted to paint with gold color, so we went to Home Depot shop and mixed the metallic golden color, and we applied this paint on the area where we are placing the god's picture. When we build the puja mandir, we get most satisfaction, and while doing the puja also we feel very happy. Initially we may think that it is so difficult, but most of us don't know that all the stuffs are readily available from the shops. Thank you for watching. If you found this video is helpful, please like this video and let me know in the comment section down below. If you have any questions, please ask in the comment section. Please subscribe for many more videos like this. Thank you.